This is your 2024 Delta Cup, brought to you by the Municipality Government of Pampanga and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and also in partnership with Sinag Liga Asia and our official production partner Sinag Liga Asia Sports and Production. As we can see, etong Malugud Candaba looking to win dito sa ating second game against etong Bayung Masantol. Both of these teams hungry for a victory dito ngayong araw, and that is our game at hand between Malugud Candaba and Bayung Masantol. An interesting matchup between the two 1-4 teams who can get their second victory dito sa Delta Cup tournament. Can it be Malugud Candaba, an athletic team, but in today's ball game a little bit short-handed, pero itong Bayung Masantol looking to get their second win. And also at the same time, full lineup etong representatives of Masantol, Pampanga in the second game of our Wednesday quadruple header dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. And mga kabalin, hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa. Coming up, it's the battle between Malugud Candaba and Bayung Masantol. And to introduce the starters of this ball game, let's turn it over to our arena announcer, Ryan Anthony.
Good afternoon, Pampanga basketball fans. Live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the second game of our quadruple header for the 2023-24 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities-Cities Basketball League. We're live on Facebook at the Facebook page of Pampanga Information Office, and also live at Sinag Liga Asia and Facebook page at Sinag Liga Asia, and on YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. Here's the game featuring Malugud Candaba versus Bayung Masantol. Let's meet the starters first for Malugud Candaba. Small forward number 33, Joshua Paginto. Power forward number 11, Ian Guevara. Center number 34, Alex Rino. Point guard number 21, Jerome Uldong. And shooting guard number 3, Jake Vinuya. Head coach for Candaba is Manny Cunanan. Assisted by Balts Marcapagal, Marlon Pelayo, Randy Balingit, and Orlando Santilesis. And now the starters for your Bayung Masantol. Small forward number 11, Kian De La Cruz. Power forward number 23, Charles Uzi. Center number 25, Yang Francisco. Point guard number 13, Carl Soriano. And shooting guard number 6, Allen Sunga. Head coach for Masantol is Aldre Soriano. The referees of this second game are Michael Galutera, Dennis Escaros, and Willie Hibe. It's Malugud Candaba versus Bayung Masantol for Delta Cup.
And here are your starters of the ball game para dito sa Malugud Candaba. They start with Guevara, Rino, Vinuya, Paginto, and Muldong. Para naman dito sa Bayung Masantol, Saniga, Yusi Soriano, De La Cruz, and Yeng Francisco. As both teams have a 4-1 record dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. We will see which one of these teams will get their second victory of the tournament. The jump ball violation immediately whistled dito and ball will go to the side of Bayung Masantol wearing the blue and yellow. Of course, they are playing today as I cannot see him in the bench. Itong Bayung Masantol playing today without JP Malyari because he's not with the team currently. JP Malyari, the mga Sinagliga Asia fans dyan, did play for Luid 1 Kapampangan. The Born 2001 Cup as a traveling violation whistled dito on Francisco. Early turnover for Bayung Masantol. What will Candaba answer? They knock down a jumper via Ian Guevara. A quick 2-0 start para dito sa Candaba. There's a miss there for Masantol. Here comes Binuya. They give it to Guevara. Guevara one-on-one. Guevara puts it up and in. Quick 4 points for Ian Guevara. Here comes the men in blue. They go down low. Oh, good hook shot right there by Danilo Guevara. So both Guevaras have all scored here. Danilo for Masantol and itong si Ian para sa Malugud Candaba. As an offensive foul is whistled here on Paginto. Masantol down by 3. Soriano goes down low. Guevara bumps. Guevara hook shot again. This time is short. On the run. Itong mga nakaputi. Sadi. Basic jumper is no good. Francisco with a big rebound. We can see the physicality of these two teams. Puro bangga. Puro physikalan tong laro natin dito at the start. And this can set the tone for what we should expect here in the second game. A good fake pass. Pero miscommunication between Sadi and Paginto. Ball was in the middle and none of them wanted to catch, or none of them was able to catch it. Turnover for Malugud Candaba as, oh, a miss there para dito kay Danilo Guevara from close range. Now 1 for 3. So Guevara, they swing it around. The other Guevara knocking it down. Ian Guevara has all 7 points para dito sa Malugud Candaba. A hot, fiery start already para dito kay Ian Guevara. They get a stop. Binuya with a steal. They toss it up. Ian, 9 points now for Ian Guevara. 7 minutes and 14 natitira sa ating first period. As Masantol goes down low in an easy basket for Charles Usi. Usi with his first bucket of the game. That's the lead down to 5. Binuya tried to go to Sadi, tapped by Usi. Tumatakbo na. Etong si De La Cruz and he gets an easy basket. Ian De La Cruz. 96 is our score, 3-point lead para dito sa Malugud Candaba. They swing the ball down low. Oh, again! Ian Guevara, 11 points for number 11. A scoring machine to start off this ball game. It was Ian Guevara. And a near stop right there para dito. Sa mga nakaputi, the ball will remain sa Bayung Masantol side. Let's see once again this beautiful layup galing dito kay Kian De La Cruz, putting on the accelerator pedal. Cortez misses from the outside. Offensive rebound by De La Cruz. Kian misses the fader, but Usi gets it back. Kian reloads for a 3, knocks it down from downtown. Binuya. They swing it down low. Sadi, double team, kicks it back out to Binuya. Binuya, oh, that shot looks straight and through for Jake Binuya. Another player who has suited up for Luwid 1 Kapampangan in the past. Coach Jonathan Benedict Buan probably watching this game with a smile on his face. Oh, good block right there by Sadi. Now on the run, Guevara gets stripped by Cortez, but ball will remain dito sa panig ng Ing Malugud Candaba. Early substitution. Cedric Hernandez comes in, replacing etong si Alexis Rino. Binuya jumper, no good. Cortez on the run, 2-on-2. Cortez weaving through the defense, overshoots the layup. Binuya, oh, good give and go to Guevara. May kasama pang foul yung layup ni Guevara. 13 points and counting para dito kay Ian Guevara. Let's look at this again, this give and go between Binuya and Ian Guevara for his 12th and 13th point of the game. Ian Guevara almost single-handedly outscoring the entire Bayung Masantol team. Now 14 points para dito kay Ian Guevara. This is the first time I'm seeing this kid and already impressed me with his scoring ability. And also, yung hustle niya kanina as we saw at the start of the game. But speaking of hustle, Uzi with another basket there off a putback. Dangerous pass there. Luckily, it was saved. Jake from top of the key. Binuya couldn't get his second triple to go. Kian on the run. De La Cruz against 4 defenders. De La Cruz pinilit. But I believe the ball will remain dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. Oh, knockout play for Bayung Masantol. Lieng Francisco with an easy layup. As Hernandez draws a foul, and I believe it's gonna be on Cortez. This would mean 2 free throws para dito kay Hernandez. Don't blink, sabi niya. After the basket, galing dito kay Francisco. On the other end, Hernandez immediately ran. While the Masantol team had their backs turned, nasa front court na agad ito si Hernandez, and he knocks down the first free throw. But we have a high-scoring affair already dito. Mga kabalin, 18-13 with still 4 minutes and change remaining in this first period. Oh, Binuya offensive rebound, and Jake puts it up and in. 5 early points for Jake Binuya. Of course, again, a former Luwid 1 Kapampangan. Played in the Board 2001 Sinag Cup. Good jumper right there by Uzi. 6 points now to Uzi's name. 20-15 is our score. Paginto goes down low. Oh, good basket cut galing dito kay Cedric Hernandez, and he finishes the highlight with a layup right there. Reverse style. Uzi, same spot, same result para kay Charles Uzi. Palitan lang tayo ng baskets dito. This is a much different game than what we saw in the first game natin, but there's an offensive foul whistle dito on Dave Sadi. An illegal pick. Trying to get Paginto free. 5-point lead in favor of Ing Malugud Candaba. Adrian De La Peña comes in. Uupo muna ito si Dave Sadi. So relatively small ball lineup para dito kay Coach Manny Cunanan, the head coach of Ing Malugud Candaba. Francisco the spin. The drop off. Good defense right there by Ian Guevara. Paginto on the run. Paginto high arcing layup. No go. Guevara offensive board. He was fouled before the shot. So I believe walang free throw ang mabibigay. This will just be a sideline inbound para dito sa Ing Malugud Candaba. Ian De La Cruz, that's his second personal foul and the 13th foul of Bayung Masantol. Again, sa mga kabalin po na nanonood sa Facebook page ng Pampanga PIO, comment down low. Sino po ba ang sinusuportahan yung city or municipality dito, and which player po ba ang inyong favorite or iniidolo sa ating tournament, as there's a malfunction in regards to the shot clock. Pumutok siya while it still says 13 seconds.
13-second shot clock. Scoreboard malfunction.
The scoreboard malfunction as the referee, Dennis Iscaros, blowing the whistle right here. Oh, pinapatanggal siya sa tenga. Ito ni Ian Guevara, of course. Players are not allowed to wear earrings or necklaces during games. That's under the FIBA basketball rule book for any tournament, should I say, for the safety of all the players involved on the floor. Francisco on the run. Cortez, oh, loses the basketball. Binuya with a steal and a duty foul. Galing dito. Francisco Binuya doing almost everything dito. Rebounding, passing, stealing the basketball. Kulang na lang niya is the block. I believe, knowing this kid, I've been covering him for 2 years na. Almost 2 years na. He's an all-around guard. He represented the Win 1 Pampanga in 2 tournaments that I've covered, but sayang yung escape move doon ni Cedric Hernandez. Backhines the layup. And here comes De La Cruz. Turnover again. One-handed baseball pass as they lob it up. Guevara finishes the layup. He now has 16 first quarter points. What a start para dito kay Ian Guevara. Cortez drops it down low. Oh! Cast up an open look, but yun naman pala. Gusto pala nilang i-share kay Charles Uzi yung layup. Uzi now with 8 points in the first quarter. Sinasabay niya yung scoring party dito ni Ian Guevara. Jake, wide open look. A little bit short that time. Cortez kicks it. De La Cruz hangs in midair. No good. Good defense right there by Hernandez. Jake drops it off. Oh, extra pass to De La Peña. Tic-tac-toe para dito sa Malugud Candaba. And that forces etong Bayung Masantol head coach Aldre Soriano to cease for a timeout after this beautiful 3-man fast break. Galing dito sa Malugud Candaba. Binuya to Guevara to De La Peña. Tic-tac-toe. 26-19 is our score. Kayo po ay nakatutok pa rin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As, of course, sa mga kabali na nanonood ngayon sa Pampanga PIOFB page and Sinagliga TV YouTube channel. Happy watching po sa inyo and comment down low. Sino po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan ko po nandito at sino po ba ang player ang inyong iniidolo as a basket right there for Masantol. Cutting the lead down to 5. Oh, Hernandez gets his pocket pick. Good hands galing dito kay Ian Cunanan and he dishes it off in an easy layup para dito kay Ellen De La Cruz. De La Cruz cuts the lead to 3. It's just a one-possession lead in a span of 2 minutes. What a run. Galing dito sa Bayung Masantol. Let's look at this. Cunanan with a steal and Ellen De La Cruz with that easy layup. Back-to-back baskets now for Ellen De La Cruz. He cuts the lead down to 3 points, 26-23. Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center for the 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. We have an official timeout right here. This is ating scoreboard dito. Namatay at kailangan nila i-reset yung scoreboard. The official score is 26-23 as to, shoutout lang po sa mga nanonood ngayon sa Facebook. Kay Avril de la Cruz, good luck Team Candaba. Kay Lawrence Asuncion, good luck Pampanga. Ha? Pampanga po parehong kupunan at lahat po ng team dito. Sir Lawrence Asuncion. Siya, uy, nanonood ngayon ang aking tropa, ang aming kaibigan dito. Si, walang iba, Jong Banayad Jr. Jong, kamusta ka dyan? Kailan ka magpapakita sa amin? Huy, meron pa nag-comment. Idol ko po yung commentator. Kung sino ka man, message ka lang, Jenna Mendoza. Our official still fixing the score. If I'm not mistaken, the score is 26-23, and there you go. They fixed it, and now they're gonna fix the official time dito. Yan po. Official score is 26-23. Now they're gonna figure out the time remaining. If I'm not mistaken, if I remember it correctly, the time remaining should be under a minute na. There you go, 58 seconds. So tama pa rin ako kahit paano. 58 seconds. It's still under a minute. 26-23 is our score now. The officials have now finally reset the game or the game clock in the scoreboard right here. There's some technical difficulties. So, ganun po. We're back to the ball game dito, and if you still want to get a shout out or even mabasa ko po ang inyong comments, please comment lang po kayo sa Pampanga PIO page sa ating live score. Or sa live natin. Live score, sorry. As Binuya couldn't catch the ball cleanly. Here comes Cortez. Cortez swings it to De La Cruz. LM hands it off to UC. Back to LM. Kunanan. They could not find an open man as Cortez drops it off to De La Cruz, and LM gets fouled. Finally, after 19 seconds on the shot clock, they finally found LM De La Cruz wide open underneath. LM De La Cruz to the free throw line. He scored a layup earlier to cut the lead down to 3. Now he's at the free throw line, but he misses the first one. See if he can adjust and make the second. He does make the second free throw right there. Cuts the lead down to 2. 26-24. 24 seconds remaining in this first period. Jake gives it over dito kay Muldong. Binuya. They swing it around. Oh! High arcing triple para dito kay Cedric Hernandez. And na turnover pa dito ng Bayung Masantol. So for the final 2.7 seconds, let's see if Candaba can get a heave. Guevara way downtown. Hits nothing but the glass, but nonetheless, Ian Guevara, what a scoring outburst. If I'm not mistaken, the official count will be 16 first quarter points para dito sa batang itong si Ian Guevara. As we can see some of the first quarter highlights, and Guevara scoring the first 5 points of the ball game. But etong si Charles Uzi and other guys just like Danilo Guevara and Kian De La Cruz and LM De La Cruz have all scored para dito sa Bayung Masantol. At para naman dito sa panig ng King Malagud Candaba, it is Jake Binuya, the former Luwid 1 Kapampangan Cager, and itong si Ian Guevara shared the cudgels in this first quarter. That's why itong King Malagud Candaba ang magbabaon ng 5 puntos na kalamangan after the first 10 minutes of action dito. 29-24 is our score. Kapit lang po mga kabalin. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Of course, very soon we will be back here. I'm talking about Sinag Liga Asia. We will be back very soon dito sa Pampanga, and I hope mga kabalin, ready na po kayong magpasinag ulit dito sa Pampanga. Charles Uzi, beautiful layup there. Uzi, if I'm not mistaken, now has 10 points in the first half. Uzi, nasabayan niya yung init dito ni Ian Guevara. Lakap. Swings it to Binuya. Jake, oh, beautiful block by De La Cruz. They're on the run. Santos, oh, great safety play right there. Galing dito kay Paginto. Binuya on the run. Wala pa rin. Santos with a rebound. Santos. Short yung layup niya. The tap. Wala pa rin. Putback is still no go for Masantol. Let's look at this one more time. That beautiful dish by Santos to Charles Uzi for the easy layup. Cunanan gives it to De La Cruz. Oh! Passes it to his coach. So double black eye dahil naputukan din sila ng 24. Big miscue right there para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Guevara had 16 first quarter points. No look pass. Oh! Hard fall for De La Cruz, but a good sign that tumayo agad siya. Once again po sa mga nanonood, comment lang po kayo sa aming FB Live sa Pampanga PIO. At sagutin ang tanong na sinong koponan po ba ang inyong binoboto at sinusubaybayan dito at sinong player din ba po ang inyong iniidolas. Let's look at that fall again para dito kay De La Cruz. Good thing he braced his fall, but again, Ian Guevara scores one more time. 18 points na para dito kay Ian Guevara, and we're just in the first half, ladies and gentlemen. Ian goes down low. Fadeaway jumper is good para dito kay Ian Cunanan. Lakap. Was a lot of fans watching right now sa FB Live natin. Muldong goes down low to Paginto. Oh, Guevara again! 20 first half points para dito kay Ian Guevara. Francisco. Swings it over to Santos. Nearly lost the handle. Parang high passes galing dito sa Bayung Masantol. Ito, tumatakbo na naman Paginto, bounces it over to Lakap. Lakap has Muldong on this right. Oh! Lakap tried to get a three-point play opportunity, but Albert will go to the free throw line for two. What a fearless drive right there by Albert Lakap. But look at this beautiful pass by Paginto going over to the cutting Guevara. Picture perfect moment para dito sa MALUGUD CANDABA. Lakap makes the first free throw. See if Lakap can make the second free throw. 7 minutes and 34 natitira sa ating second period. And of course, present right now din sa ating convention center is none other than our tournament commissioner sa Delta Cup 2024. Walang iba kundi the legend himself, the former Barangay Ginebra player and the COO of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac. Dito to oversee the operations and the game itself. Thank you so much po sa ating napakasipag na tournament commissioner, Kong Leo Isaac. Lakap swings it to Paginto. Binuya, oh, got stripped from behind. Here comes Kian. De La Cruz on a 3-on-2. De La Cruz takes it to himself and says, akin na to. Muldong gives it to Binuya. Jake kicks it to Muldong. Three-pointer. Short. The ball sails out of bounds. Babalik ang possession dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. We're down by 5 points, 35 to 30 with still 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa po ang ating makikita dito. Oh, good behind the back and sayang lang for UC. He couldn't knock down the jumper. Paginto on the run. Paginto, big steps to the basket and he gets the layup to go. De La Cruz will attack. De La Cruz will flip it up and in. High scoring affair here, 37 to 32. Still 6 minutes to go. Lakap gives it to Guevara. Ian, oh, tried to lob it to Paginto but tumama sa ring ang bola. With a question from our tournament commissioner, pasa daw ba o tira? So yun, mga kabalin, comment nyo po, pasa daw ba o tira? Sabi namin tournament commissioner, kung Leo Isaac. As fishing for the foul there, it was Ian Cunan and he does get the call and he'll go to the free throw line for 2. Ito, sabi sa comment section ni John Patrick Lalu, sure win na daw pag si Albert Lakap for Ing Malagud Candabas. Ian De La Cruz earlier, that's his layup. Got the lead down here. Francisco knocked down the first free throw, cut the lead down to 4. But siyempre kaya po ako nagbabasa ng comment section dito. As kapansin-pansin niyo po, ako lang po ay mag-isa dito sa panel at hindi po ako sanay. Kaya sa mga kabalin na nanonood ngayon sa Pampanga PIO FB page, comment po kayo para po may kausap ako kunwari. Please. Now, all kidding aside, I'm enjoying this game dito. Especially seeing the talented kids dito na I might even say play soon and represent the country sa Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asas. Oh, sorry, missed right there. On the easy layup for Yang Francisco. A 4-on-1. And lo! What a denial by UC! And Guevara! Flex your muscle, young man! What a sequence para dito sa Delta Cup. Let's look at this one more time. Guevara collects the ball and puts it up and in after being held down. UC with a chase down block on Lakap, and then Guevara cleans up the mess. 23 first half points na para dito kay Ian Guevara for Ing Malagud Candaba as Yang misses the layup. Andun yung isa pang Francisco, wala pa rin. The two Franciscos, pinupulot yung bola dun. Sadi, the jumper, no good. UC with a rebound. 4 minutes and 51. We're at the halfway point of this quarter as, oh, nearly got it to go. Is Young Francisco with that layup, but he'll troop to the line for 2 free throws. Let's look at this one more time. The offensive rebounding, the hard work from those 2 Franciscos. Yang Francisco with a put back there. He'll be credited with the 2 points, and he's at the free throw line for two shots right now. Knocks down the first one, cuts the lead down to 3. No good ang kanyang pangalawang free throw. Still a 3-point lead para dito sa Ing Malagud Candaba. Albert gives it back to Ian. They swing it over back to Lakap. Lakap thought about shooting it, gives it to Guevara. Guevara, oh, lost the ball in mid-air. But there was a foul. So this will be 2 free throws pa. Or no, they say he passed the ball. It was not an official shot attempt. So just a baseline inbound para dito sa Ing Malagud Candaba. Rino goes over to Paginto. Cross court to Guevara. The hottest man on the floor with 23 points. Guevara chalks up a jumper and drains it. Nothing but net for Ian Guevara. What a talent this kid is. An explosive scorer. As Uzi again with a counter. Uzi and Guevara having a duel here sa ating first half. Rino. Jumper is good. 45-39 is our score. 3 minutes and 44. Lead is in favor of MALUGUD CANDABA. Uzi. Tukunanan. Oh, good pass. Pero short lang yung layup dun. Para kay Soriano. Pag-intercept to Guevara. Guevara scoops it up. Masyado nga lang sa malalim. Ball is out of bounds. It will go to Bayung Masantol. At meron pong manonood na nagsabi na kaya ko naman daw palang mag-isang magpanen. Hindi po, napakahirap. Nakakabaliw po. Isa kang kausap mo sarili mo. Alam niyo po, yung kanta ni Price Tag na kontrabida, ayoko pong kakampi sarili ko. Soriano drops it off. Yeng bodies up very well there, but unable to get the layup. Charles Uzi with the foul. And dahil penalty situation na tayo, this would mean 2 free throws pa for Guevara, who, if I'm not mistaken, if you're counting with me, mga kabalin, he's up to 25 points na. If he hits both, he goes up to 27. And are we going to see a 30-piece by halftime para dito sa Delta Cup? Guevara now with 27 points here in the first half pa lang. 27 in the first half. You didn't hear me. I wasn't wrong with that, mga kabalin. But still, his team, itong MALUGUD CANDABA, are up 47-39. Kayo po ay nakatutok pa rin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. This is just our second game. As we can see, Ian Guevara, unofficial count, 27 first half points na. 27 out of 47 points in total. Diba? That's how explosive this kid is as a scoring. He is a scoring machine. Yun, may rebound pa siya dito. Gives it to Lakap. Lakap, one man to beat. Oh, sorry, missed, but Paginto is there to trail the play. Back to a 10-point lead for MALUGUD CANDABA. They go down low, talking about Masantol, and an easy basket underneath para dito kay Ian Cunanan. Oh! Miscommunication right there. And Cortez will get a gimme off a Charles Uzi steal. And that forces Coach Manny Cunanan to call for time. He was not happy with that pass. Nababa tuloy ang kalamangan sa 6 na puntos. Especially after this steal by Uzi and the easy layup right here by Cortez. Nababangan nila itong Bayung Masantol ang kalamangan ng CANDABA 49-43. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. And siyempre, itong Bayung Masantol, they're not giving up easily. Still trying to fight back dito as Guevara missed the jumper right there. Sadi with an offensive rebound and ball will stay dito sa panig. Or no, they say it's bola ng Bayung Masantol. And everyone was confused there. But the referee says bola daw dapat dito ng Bayung Masantol. Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan, the head coach and team owner of the Widwanka Pampangan, watching right now. Coach Jonathan, regards din po sa inyo on behalf of Sinag Liga Asia family. We will see you soon, Coach Jonathan. At yung bata mong si Jake Vinuya, lakas maglaro dito, ha? Speaking of Jake Vinuya, he has the basketball right now. Kicks it to Lakap. Albert goes to Ian, back to Albert. The flip shot by Lakap is short. Here comes De La Cruz. Kian on the run, gives it to Yeng Francisco. Here comes Bayung Masantol. Vinuya gives it to Guevara. Defense immediately ready for him, but Paquinto's wide open. Short nga lang yung kanyang tres, and a chance right here for Bayung Masantol to tie the game or even take the lead with a 3. De La Cruz opts for the 3 and retakes the lead para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Vinuya to Paquinto. Paquinto attacks. Paquinto puts it up and in. Exchange of baskets, exchange of leads. Candaba back with the lead, 51-50. Kian tries from way down and knocks it down. Wow. And here's a steal by Uzi. Oh, and a counter steal by Vinuya. Paquinto on a 4-on-2. Sadi wasn't looking. And this will be a 3-on-2 on the other end. Francisco is fouled by Sadi. Some late action we're experiencing here. The second quarter. Both teams just trying to one-up each other from the field. And it will be Yeng Francisco to the free throw line. With the final 14 seconds of the first half dito, mga kabalin, mga kapampangan. And if you're close here sa BREN Convention Center or kaya nyo po mag-travel to support your municipality or city teams, please do. There's a miss right there, Sadi with a board. Jake gives it to Paquinto. Drops it to Guevara. 5 seconds to work with. Lock up the up fake. Albert hangs in mid-air. Back irons the shot. No good. At hindi naaabot yung tira ni Ian Guevara. But how about Bayung Masantol? Down by 10 at the midway point of the second quarter. But now they find themselves up by 3 points at the end of the second quarter. What a comeback galing dito sa Bayung Masantol, led by Charles Uzi and Yeng Francisco in the second period. As we can see some of these second quarter highlights. Ian Guevara, 27 first half points for him. But Kian De La Cruz, etong si Yeng Francisco, and Charles Uzi and Ian Cunanan, all 4 of those men umambag dito para sa Bayung Masantol. Again, playing without JP Palyari in this ball game. But sabi ng Bayung Masantol, no problem yan kasi kami ang magbabaon ng 3 puntos na kalamangan at the half. 54-51. Kapit lang po mga kabalin. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Michael, ha? Baka si Anthony ka na naman. Parang bago-bago na naman. Start ng third quarter natin. May 3-point lead itong Masantol. 54-51. Oh, good pass right there. And eto na naman. Itong si Yeng Francisco with another basket underneath. Nakakarami na si Francisco in this ball game as good defense right there by Santos preventing that pass. Would have been an easy basket para dito sa Candaba. Speaking of, oh, sorry, Mr. for De La Cruz. Vinuya. Stolen away by Francisco. Counter steal by Vinuya and he gives it up. Oh, sorry, miss din para dito kay Hernandez. Empty possessions for Candaba. Starting to pile up. De La Cruz mishandles the pass. They reset. We'll have 13 seconds on the shot clock. Santos to De La Cruz. Swings it over to the corner. No good yung tres doon. Dito ni MC Sarmiento. Paginto goes to Guevara. Guevara now with 29 points. Sarmiento goes to Santos. We go down low. Look at that passing. Galing dito sa Masantol. And MC Sarmiento with an easy layup right there. Vinuya goes down low. Natapik yung pasa ni Jake. Tumatakbo na naman. Sarmiento on the run. Good defense by Guevara, forcing him to miss. Santos gives it. No good yung layup doon. Para dito kay Danilo Guevara, but Danilo Guevara cleans up the mess. Grabe, Masantol has now woken up in the second half. And Guevara couldn't catch the ball cleanly. Here comes Sarmiento. Guevara couldn't catch the ball. Here comes itong Candaba. Vinuya. Oh, miscommunication between Vinuya and Hernandez right there. The substitution on the floor as again, Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Sa mga katrabaho ko dito sa Delta Cup na part ng Sinagliga Asia. See you daw, sabi ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan. Makikita natin si Coach Jonathan soon. Coach, antayin ka namin. Kung mag-alala, love na love ka namin dito on behalf of Sinagliga Asia family. Danilo bumps. Danilo puts it up and in. The big fundamental move right there. Guevara, layup, still no go. And finally, Guevara gets the basket. Pero it's nullified by stepping out of bounds siya. Action has started to pick up dito. 62-53, a 9-point lead para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Santos from downtown, off the mark. Natin itong fundamentally sound off the glass one-foot jumper ni Danilo Guevara, looking like Dirk Nowitzki right there. De La Cruz high looping three-pointer to beat the buzzer, no good. Guevara, good box out. And oh, Paginto. Joshua probably wanted to dunk that down. And another basket, exchange of baskets right there. MC Sarmiento. MC Santiago tuloy. Sorry, direct. Ito Hernandez. No good. Santos on the run. They have a 9-point lead dito. Santos to Sarmiento. Sarmiento, the jumper is good. MC Sarmiento puts Bayung Masantol up by 11 points, 66-55. First time on the floor nito ni MC in this game, and then immediately giving a lot of positives dito. Let's look at this once again, this baseline jumper by MC Sarmiento. And then ito na naman, another jumper by MC Sarmiento, looking like MC Santiago ng Taytay J Project there. And he puts the team up by 11 points, 66 to 55. Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ako pa rin po si Enzo Galarosas. Itong Bayung Masantol have now turned the tides. 11-point lead for them. Nahihirapan na itong MALUGUD CANDABA makascore dito as ito na naman, Sarmiento with the spin. Trying to go no look past to Francisco, ends up with a turnover. But turnover din for CANDABA, and ball will remain dito sa panig ng Bayung Masantol. Again, sa mga nanonood po sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, comment lang po kayo sino po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan dito. Team po ba yan? Player? Banggitin nyo lang po. At ako po'y babasahin yan dahil mag-isa lang po ako dito at wala po akong kausap. Gusto ko rin po siyempre magkaroon ng fan engagement tayo tulad ng mga nagko-comment ngayon. Gaya ni Miss Jenna Mendoza, idol ko po ang commentator. Miss Jenna Mendoza, love ka ng commentator. As MC Sarmiento, mid-range jumper no good. Put back is good para dito kay Danilo Guevara. So etong Bayung Masantol have now woken up. Their defense and their offense have both exploded. As a technical foul is whistled on Coach Manny Cunanan, the head coach of MALUGUD CANDABA, for unsportsmanlike behavior. So MC Sarmiento is now at the free throw line. He knocks down the technical free throw, extends this lead to 13-69 to 55. Eksaktong 5 minutes natitira sa ating third period at the midway point of this third quarter. Oh, good update by Paginto. Still no go, and Sadi ayaw pa rin talaga for CANDABA. Joshua gives it to Jake. Vinuya attacks. Vinuya the pull-up. That's his spot. Tabingi nga lang. So not the start or not the third quarter etong MALUGUD CANDABA has been expecting. Oh, but Sarmiento a bit sloppy on the catch there, and it ends up in a turnover. Yung aking kaibigan dito, si Boss Arnel Fuentes, nagtatanong. No good pa rin for Paginto. Guevara fighting hard for that offensive rebound. Uh-oh. Uzi and Guevara. Some color developed there underneath the basket. Foul on number 23, Charles Uzi. And there's also a warning on Uzi for second motion. Our referees are coming over here sa IRS to check out what happened underneath. We have stoppage of play here. Titingnan lang daw nila sa IRS ngayon. Pag-comment dyan, tingnan mo yung IRS. Pag-comment dyan, tingnan mo yung IRS. Of course, they're going to review what happened there kay Uzi at saka kay Guevara. Let's see what happened underneath. There's the foul by Charles Uzi on Guevara. Nagkatulakan sila. And there was a shove. Galing dito kay Charles Uzi. Now, I believe what they're going to check here is the tulak will involve a close fist or any intent to actually hurt the player. It was Guevara. That's just a regular foul on Charles Uzi.
Regular foul. There's a waiting warning for Charles Uzi for second motion.
So, the warning also stands for Charles Uzi. So, if I'm not mistaken, this will just be a baseline inbound para dito sa Malugud CANDABA. CANDABA now trying to find some answers. They only scored 4 points in nearly 6 minutes of action. It's still a miss para dito sa CANDABA. Guevara, the spin, the shot. It seems like he's the only one scoring para sa kanila. 31 points na para dito kay Ian Guevara for Malugud CANDABA. Sarmiento goes to Santos. They go up top. And the finish galing dito kay Ian Cunanan. Jumper is still a miss para dito kay Muldong. Kian trying to give it over to Uzi, but a little bit too unselfish there with De La Cruz, and it ends up in a turnover para dito sa Bayung Masantol. Minutes and 30 remaining in this third period. Paginto tosses it over. Hernandez, oh, beautiful one-handed shot right there. Galing dito kay Hernandez. Kian attacks. Kian challenged by Hernandez, and there's a foul on Cunanan. I believe it's going to be a pushing foul.
Pushing foul on number 22, Ian Cunanan. Chris Rizzo, second team foul, MASANTOL.
71 to 59. Look at that ball pressure being applied here by Bayung Masantol.
17-second shot clock.
17-second shot clock. So basically, itong Malugud CANDABA has 2 seconds to get it across half court, and they get it across. Paginto tried to drop it off to Sadi. Natapik, but ball will remain dito for the men in white. "14 seconds on their shot clock." Guevara, oh, a thing of beauty is the scoring machine, Ian Guevara. Grabe naman yung galawan na yun. Parang may kilala tayong ganun, di ba? Talking to my FD mga Kapampangan, yung ganun galawan, di ba? Yung ginawa ni Guevara, yung ganun galawan ng Billy Ray de Leon. Di ba? De La Cruz from the outside, De La Cruz short. He knew it. There's a duty foul ang ginawa doon ni Santos dahil nagkaroon ng 3-on-1. Fast break that time. 3-man substitution para dito kay Coach Aldre Soriano. Let's look at this beautiful move. Galing dito kay Ian Guevara, and the finger on Alabil Sanity yung ginawa doon. Neto ni Ian Guevara, 33 points now for him. Galawang Bill Sanity, scoring machine, parang Nomar Santiago. I'm gonna get punished after this game. Paginto. Oh! Sorry, miss nga lang, but wow, Ian Guevara, 35 points now for Ian Guevara. Cortez kicks it over to De La Cruz. Oh, good cut. The two De La Cruz connect, pero hindi nga lang makonect din sa layup. Here comes Guevara with 35. Make that 37 for Ian Guevara. And he is almost single-handedly trying to carry etong Malugud Candaba right here. Look at his beautiful move and the layup. And the stare down galing dito kay Ian Guevara, cutting the lead down to 6, 71 to 65. Ngayon pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. At we are having a ball game here, ladies and gentlemen, as Ian Guevara trying to will his team back almost single-handedly with 37 points of his own. Sila tough task dahil nga ang kalaban niya dito itong Bayung Masantol na almost everybody gumagawa para sa kanila. Siyempre, happy watching po sa mga Kapampangan mga kabalo na nakatutok po ngayon sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. And of course, live din po tayo sa Sinag Liga TV in YouTube. So, subscribe na po kayo sa Sinag Liga TV. Of course, follow us din sa Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page and Instagram. Siyempre, promote din ng ating Mother League. Of course, let's also give thanks to Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and all of the mayors and mga local government units nandito sa mga iba't ibang mga municipalities and cities dito sa Pampanga for making this tournament possible, for the support sa mga bata dito. And of course, thank you so much din po sa aming official partner ng Sinag Liga Asia, to our chairman Sinag Liga Asia, Mr. Rocky Chan, our president CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, our COO, Coach Leo Isaac, our head of production, Direk Nomar Santiago, and of course, our commissioner, from Rodney Santos, and Tito Dennis Villa Ignacio, and of course, Boss Mark Arago. Thank you so much po sa mga Sinag Liga Asia fans din for supporting all the things that we do for Sinag Liga Asia. Kasama na itong Delta Cup natin, and malapit na po bumalik ang Sinag Liga Asia dito sa Pampanga. We will soon be home, mga kasinag dito. Guevara turns it over. Good defense by De La Cruz, and eto, the other De La Cruz, again, the De La Cruz connection. Kian De La Cruz, galing kay LF De La Cruz. Kian falls down a little bit there. Paginto, on the run, tries to go for the finger roll, pero short nga lang. There was a foul on Ian Guevara's putback attempt. We'll go back to the free throw line. Let's look at this De La Cruz to De La Cruz connection. And the beautiful finish galing dito kay Kian De La Cruz. Speaking of, siyempre sabi ko kanina, babalik na soon ang Sinag Liga Asia dito sa Pampanga. Abangan niyo po ang paparating na Sinag Liga Asia under 19 and 23 under na magsisimula sa March 2024. For inquiries, please email Sinag Liga, sinagasiasports@gmail.com, or message our FB page, Sinag Liga Asia. Charles Uzi with the basket right there. May we see Charles Uzi participate in the Sinag Liga Asia tournament. Tutok na po kayo sa March 2024. There's a beautiful reverse layup right there by Cedric Hernandez. Exchange of baskets right here, and it does favor etong Masantol, but a dribbling infraction whistled here on Joshua Cortez. Oh, a steal here by De La Cruz. LM, good pass to Cortez. Joshua Cortez, beautiful finish there. Paginto, hindi kumagat si Francisco sa fake. Tumatakbo na naman ang Bayung Masantol, and an easy layup for Kian De La Cruz. Binuya from way downtown, no. What a finish here for Bayung Masantol. Unthreatened, unfazed by the comeback attempt na ginawa kanina ni Ian Guevara. as they finish the quarter. Once again, up by double figures dito by 12 points as we can see this third quarter highlights. Ian Guevara nearing 40 points already in this ball game, but a tough task lalong-lalo na kung kalaban niya. Halos lahat ng players na ipasok ni Coach ni Coach Aldre Soriano ay gumagawa, guys, like MC Soriano, Charles Uzi, Ian Cunanan, two De La Cruzes, itong si Danilo Guevara. Almost everyone ay pasok ni Coach Aldre Soriano. Talagang nagre-respond, nagpo-produce, and that's why lamang sila ng 12 puntos dito. 80-68, entering the fourth and final quarter of this second game of the Delta Cup 2024 between Bayung Masantol and MALUGUD CANDABA. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa 2024 Delta Cup. Siya na po. Yung ating referee na si Anthony o Michael. Ipapatawa kasi bago ibigay yung bola sa player. As Guevara. I actually lost count. So sa mga nanonood po dyan, if you've been counting with me, if I'm not mistaken, 39 or 41 na po ba ang puntos ni Guevara, but he is close to 40 piece na ngayon. If I'm not mistaken, he's trying to will his team back into this ball game. They're down by 10 points. They get the stop. Now it's all about making a basket right now. Jake. Dadaan sa screen ni Lakap. Binuya with a crossover. He draws a foul. It's the first team foul para dito sa Bayung Masantol. It's De La Cruz ang napituhan doon. Uy, happy watching. John Lesiges, isa sa mga paborito naming referee. Brother John, happy watching sa'yo, John. Oh! What a block by Jake Binuya. Let's look at this. Harap-harapang supalpal, sabi ni Jake Binuya. What a denial right there by Jake. Cortez. Pulls it back out. They have 14 on the clock. Cortez spins. Cortez attacks. No good. De La Peña with the rebound. Binuya on a 3-on-2. And Binuya says, I got this all on my own. Francisco. Hounded by two defenders. Gives it to the cutting De La Cruz. De La Cruz puts it up and in against Guevara. In your face, sabi ni De La Cruz. Ian. Kicks it to the corner. Paginto decides to attack. Paginto, scoop layup short. Francisco with a rebound. Cortez. 8 minutes and 22 remaining on the clock. Cortez, there's a switch. He's the only one touching the basketball so far, but he sees a mismatch and niluwa nga lang, and Uzi tried to put it back up and in. Lock up. Albert on the run, partially deflected by Kian. Tumatakbo na naman yung mga nakasul. Kian to Charles. Uzi misses, but there was a foul whistle there. Look at the players dropping down to their knees dahil medyo mabilis nga talaga ang ating pace ng ball game dito. Pasok dito itong si Jerome Muldong ulit. He replaces Albert Lakap. A toilet bowl roll there para dito kay Charles Uzi. Nilinis pa yung ring. Second one comes short. Guevara, hounded by Cortez. But that time Cortez with a foul.
Running foul, number 0, Joshua Cortez. Third whistle, second team
Second team foul. Yung foul ni Cortez na yan for Masantol. So our referee is talking over to Ian Guevara.
15-second shot clock.
Medyo frustration is starting to settle in na din kasi kay Ian Guevara. Of course, you're doing so well. You're playing so well on your own. But hindi pa rin kayo makalamang dito. De La Peña with an easy layup. Great creation right there by Jake Vinuya. That's what he's known for. It's talking about Jake Vinuya, covering him for nearly 2 years now, playing for Luwid 1. He complements CJ Betis, the pride of Lubao, Pampanga, and Lancer the Answer Card, the pride of Guagua, with those kinds of plays. And he needs to do more of that to complement itong si Ian Guevara. De La Peña taps it over to Vinuya. Tosses it up to Paginto. Guevara back to Paginto. Great give and go. And the layup gets it to drop. Guevara played the decoy role recently here. De La Peña strips it at tumama pa dito kay Yeng Francisco. So another stop para dito sa Candaba. They give it to the hands of their #1 scorer, Ian Guevara. Guevara gives it to De La Peña. Try to go give and go. Yeng. Ball was tapped, still able to get a shot up, pero hindi nga lang tumama sa ring. And Vinuya was fouled. Cortez immediately asking for a substitution right here. And Cortez sits down with 4 personal fouls to his tally. Balik tao dito. Itong si Coach Aldrey Soriano. Balik niya. Itong si Ian Cunanan. Muldong gives it to Vinuya. Jake against Charles. 11 seconds to shoot. Vinuya gives it to Muldong. 7 seconds. Vinuya needs to fire. Pull up jumper short pa rin for Jake Vinuya. And Charles Uzi leaks out. Charles with a sky layup right there. Vinuya, big steps, drops it off. De La Peña misses the gimme. Nakatapik ni De La Peña pa rin. Muldong, three-pointer. That's short. But look at the hustle galing dito sa Malugud Candaba. Ayaw pa rin for Jake Vinuya. Kian gives it to El. The De La Cruz connection, no good. Cunanan to Kian, short pa rin. Both teams trying so desperately to score as Vinuya hangs in midair and is fouled by Francisco. Hacking foul called on Yeng Francisco. That's his 4th personal foul of the game. Let's look at his high-flying layup right there. Galing kay Charles Uzi. Good for 2 points. Charles Uzi again exploding so much dito. Bayung Masantol, and that's why they're still up dito, 85-76. Ayaw pa rin para dito sa panig ng Candaba pumasok yung free throws, but they still get another offensive rebound as Vinuya ayaw pa rin. There is a foul, a holding foul. That penalty na De La Peña will go to the free throw line for 2. Pasok dito for the first time, Tristan Garon sa panig ng Bayong Masantol. Still empty. That's now 4 consecutive missed free throws para dito sa Malugud Candaba. Cunanan, oh, beautiful layup right there by Ian Cunanan. A must-score possession right here for Candaba, but they still can't buy a basket right here. Masantol looking good. They just have to hold on to the lead for 4 minutes. There's a pushing foul on Ian Guevara.
First personal, second team foul.
Kid better watch himself.
18 seconds shot.
He was already warned kanina. Kian sees some daylight and knocks it down from downtown. What a response galing dito sa Bayung Masantol. Jake up, under, step through, short pa rin. Binuya not having the best of shooting days, but he's trying his best to wake himself up, and not only himself but his team. But let's look at this booming triple galing dito kay Kian De La Cruz from way downtown. Hand down, man down, sabi ni Kian De La Cruz. Binuya, 5 consecutive missed free throws for Ing Malugud Candaba. And those are huge, especially when you're trailing big. Finally, have made free throw after 5 consecutive misses. De La Cruz receives the inbound. Kunanan receives it. Kunanan loses the basketball. Candaba gets a stop. And Paginto draws a foul, and he'll shoot to the line for 2.
Backing foul on number 01,
De La Cruz. LM De La Cruz with called for the foul. Paginto. This is the first one. Still misses the second one din. .13 lead para din sa Bayung Masantol. And there's a stop by Candaba. Guevara. Tatlo halos sumalubong sa kanya doon just to stop him. And let go of the basketball. Jake, the cross. Last minute pass. Muldong. Short, but Muldong gets it back. Jerome. Ayaw pa rin. Guevara put back. Wala pa rin talaga. CJ Sarmiento with a rebound. Garon will wait for friends. LM De La Cruz gives it to CJ Sarmiento. Back to De La Cruz. Fires. Short. Here comes Paginto on the run. It's a must-score possession right here. They draw another foul. If you are Coach Manny Cunanan, the head coach of Ing Malugud Candaba, you are praying that your boys make some free throws kasi napakadami na nilang missed free throws dito. Especially in the fourth quarter, and they're the ones trailing. If they made most of those free throws simula kanina, this would have been a different conversation agad. Paginto, pina-check lang ng ating referee. Ang mukha doon, may ganun kapangad lang siya, but he says it's okay. One out of 2 again, but Paginto gets it back, tried to pass it to Binuya, hindi nga lang niya naabot doon. Good steal, one more time para dito kay Garon. De La Cruz bumps into Guevara. De La Cruz gets a screen. He spins, drops it off to Sarmiento, and that's a traveling violation on De La Cruz. Chances are there, doors wide open if Candaba wants it. 12 points in 2 minutes and 35. It's very, very manageable. Jake gives it to Hernandez. To Muldong, rip through move. Step back, kicks it out, Cedric. Ayaw talaga yung 3-point shots para dito sa Ing Malugud Candaba. Garon hands it off to Cunanan. Ian gives it to De La Cruz. LM escapes, flips it up, short. Kian is there to save the day. Dagdagan mo pa ng isang foul. De La Cruz saving a De La Cruz. Wow, what teamwork these two have presented to us today. Babalik sa floor pa itong si Yeng Francisco. Kian De La Cruz, can we extend this lead? And he misses the free throw. As we approach the last 2 minutes of this ball game, kapit lang po mga kabalin. We have a comeback on our hands here from MALUGUD CANDABA, or will BAYUNG MASANTOL to storm past them as Guevara with 2 points there. I believe that pushes him over 40 na. Francisco try to dribble against the Francisco flips it up and in against Guevara. Guevara being pounded right here by Cunanan. Jake is fouled and he'll troop to the line for 2. 14-point lead para dito sa BAYUNG MASANTOL. 94-80. They're trailing by as much as 10 kaninang first half in the second quarter, to be specific. Drive again by Yeng Francisco. Tough finish right there. Binuya knocks down the first free throw. That's the lead to 13. Make that 12 as Binuya finally goes 2 for 2. Paginto hounding ito si Francisco. Gives it to Garon. Garon misses the gimme. Candaba needs to score quick. Binuya. Pull up three-pointer, no go. And Ian De La Cruz with the rebound. And they'll waste away some precious seconds dito to shut down any kind of comeback hopes para sa MALUGUD CANDABA. Kian. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. De La Cruz, same spot, same result, and a point to his bench. That is the dagger, ladies and gentlemen. Guevara, Muldong. No good yung tres doon ni Muldong in 25.1 second. And ladies and gentlemen, unless there's a comeback of biblical proportions, BAYUNG MASANTOL, after being down by 10 points in the midway of the second period, they have come back, retaken the lead, and now they're gonna win convincingly with 15 points, and they're going to improve to 2 in 5 dito sa Delta Cup 2024. Samantalang itong MALUGUD CANDABA will fall down to 1 and 5 dito sa ating tournament. But how about these boys from BAYUNG MASANTOL coming back big time dito sa ating laro? Physical game, a lot of emotions, lots of physicalities. But they won this ball game convincingly. Grabe. As ito, ang ating final score, 97-82. BAYUNG MASANTOL with a 15-point victory dito. What a ball game, and talagang medyo mahirap mamili dito ng best player of the game dahil halos lahat umambag para dito sa BAYUNG MASANTOL. It was a total team effort para sa kanila. That's why they are now victorious dito sa ating laban. Mamaya-maya makikilala na natin ang ating best player dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. As ayun nga, kasama ko na po dito mga kabalin ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Kian De La Cruz for BAYUNG MASANTOL. Kian, congratulations. Kita-kita natin medyo napagod ka dahil maraming minuto ka nilaro. Pero nung second quarter, nung nalamangan kayo ng 10 ng Candaba, anong sinabi ni Coach Aldrey sa inyo? At bakit biglang nagising kayo at nakalamang pa kayo ng second quarter?
Mas sipagan namin sa depensa, tapos ano po, yung mas doblehin pa po namin yung mga ginagawa po namin. Tapos ayun po, nakuha po namin yung lamang bago po matapos yung second quarter. Yung first half po, bago matapos.
Oh, doon nga kayo nakalamang. Pero yung Ian Guevara sa kabila para sa Candaba, halos 40 ang
Opo.
ginawa niya. Ano ba yung mga ginawa niyo nung second half? Kasi parang napigilan niyo siya doon. Ano ba yung ginawa niyong depensa sa kanya para manalo din kayo dito at mapigilan siya?
Sa tingin po kasi namin, wala po sa kanila nagdadala po ng gano'n ng bola. Yung kumbaga po, hindi po biyasa magbaba ng bola. Kaya ang ginawa na lang po namin, tinao po namin siya, tapos nagmantuman na po kami. Yun po, nakalayo po kami.
Well, perfect nga at nanalo kayo. At ngayon, improve na kayo sa 2-5 sa inyong team standings. Pero, Kian, ngayon, chance mo na para bumati sa mga sumusuporta sa'yo. At syempre, imbitahan mo din naman sila na suportahan pa kayo dito sa Delta Cup.
Unang-una po, salamat po kay Mayor Tonton Bustos po sa suporta at kay Lord po sa binigay po sa amin panalo. Salamat po sa mga sumusuporta po sa amin sa Team Bayung Masantol. Patuloy niyo po kami suportahan at panoorin po. Siya at asayin po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations once again, Kian. Go ahead and enjoy this win with your teammates. Mga kabalin, thank you rin, Kian, and congratulations. Pero syempre, mga kabalin, hindi pa tayo nagtatapos dyan kasi coming up next, it's the battle between Floridablanca and San Fernando. San Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka ba dyan? Magtatapos ang ating second game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Carlo Olbos, and the rest of the hard-working men and women from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup. We are one.